So if you look at the first one, A, it says from P to Q. So small to big. So that gives it away, right? Greater than 1. I'll just use a greater than symbol. How about from P to R? Greater than 1. Q to S? Less than 1. Q to R? Greater than 1. S to P? Equal to 1. R to P? Less than 1. And did we do G together? All right, equal to 1. Same size. All right, question 2 is on the next page. Scale factor from S to L. Well, again, they tell me they're scaled copies, so I can either look at the width or I can look at the height. Jada, what do we want to look at? Want to look at the width or the height?
The width.
Okay. Width is 2 and 4. So what is the scale factor to go from 2 to 4? 2. Okay, so this way is times 2. Now if I go the other way, remember it's from big to small, you just told me on the previous page it should be less than 1. Maverick, what's our answer for B? Half. Just reciprocal. 2 over 1 flipped over is 1/2. C. Triangle M is a scaled copy. The scale factor from S to M is 3 over 2. What is the scale factor from M to S? Sophia. You just reciprocal it. 3 over 2, you flip it over. 2/3, that's it. Didn't have to draw it. All I was looking for was a reciprocal there. Number 3. Boston, would you read that one, please?
Are two squares with the same side lengths scale copies of one another? Explain your reasoning.
All right, so are they scaled copies if they have the exact same length? Rylan, what do you think?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because it just means that the scale factor is 1.
Yes. Same figures means scale factor is 1. Exactly right. Again, that was just like the number 1 we answered. Okay, quadrilateral A has side lengths 2, 3, 5, and 6. B is 4, 5, 8, and 10. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 5, 8, 10. Could they be scaled copies of each other? Molly, what do you think? No, you're right. Why? Yeah, so from 2 to 4, that's double, right? Then they did not double it, did not double it, did not double it. So scale factors are not the same. In that problem, scale factors are not the same. Final question, problem number 5. Again, if it says explain, we need to do that. I think I even had you circle it. Select all the ones that are equivalent to 12 to 3. And then we'll do a little explanation for each one. Anybody give me one answer that's the same? Connor.
D.
Why?
Because 12 times 2 is 24. And then 3 times 2 is 6.
All right, so we doubled it. So I took it times the scale factor of 2. So somehow if you would just explain that, that would be fine. I took 12 times 2, 3 times 2, and got 24 over 6. Another one. Kaylee,
C.
how'd you get that one?
12 divided by 3 equals 4. And 3 divided by 3 equals 1.
Okay, so you divided 12 by 3. 3 divided by 3, you could say the scale factor is a third. Multiplying by a third is the same as dividing by 3. Anything else there? Jonas?
F.
F. What's the scale factor for that one? What did I take 12 and 3 both multiplied by? 100. Scale factor is 100. Okay. Anything else? Those are the only three. This one I expected to be a common one circled. There wasn't as many as I thought walking around. What did they do to this one?
They just added 3.
They added 3. Remember the rules, you can't just add or subtract, right? It has to be multiplied. Okay, so if you circled E, you added 3 to both sides. You cannot add or subtract. Has to be multiplied only.